Well, we got a Volvo and then some new Freightliners, or one new Freightliner, but we also have a V&L.
That one looks like he's about ready to leave.
Got Walmart.
Or he's sleeping at work.
The paint on the side of the truck looks nice. Looks like a giraffe on the side of the truck. I like the paint job. That's something you don't see every day. And there is a Volvo over there as well, all kinds of chaos. Stuff in the back of that pickup is still around. Walmart. The paint on that truck looks nice.
Like a Walmart truck.
Yeah. Beautiful set of trucks. This guy might be coming to operate one of them. There's a little set.